welcome back to the Math Dojo. I am Michelle Ishida and we are getting into problem solving with angles today. So previously we've learned about different types of angles, how to write angles, how to name angles, and now we're going to use all of that information that we have now in our brains and we're going to solve problems with it. So we're going to set up equations. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we have a few angles. We have a problem that they want us to find angle AOE. So angle AOE is the angle that we are looking for, which is this angle here, angle O, okay? AOE is what we're trying to find. And we know the given information is that this angle here, BOC, is 90 degrees from that box. We know that COD is 66 minus x degrees, and we know that 3x minus 28 degrees is this angle here, BOA. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that we can go about this. I know that these two angles are vertical angles where these red marks are, so 66 minus x degrees and this 90-degree angle. If we add those two together, it's going to equal our angle O here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 66 minus x, this angle, plus 90 degrees, plus this 3x minus 28, and I'm going to set that all equal to 180 degrees, and then we're going to solve for x. So the first thing I need to do is I need to combine my like terms. I'm going to rewrite this without the parentheses and combining like terms. So I have 3x here. I have my 3x. I have minus x. And those are the two that I can combine. So 3x minus x is going to give me 2x, okay? And now I have negative 28, okay? And I have plus 90, okay? Negative 28 plus 90 plus 66 is going to get us 128, okay? And then we're going to set that equal to 180, okay? Now we have 2x plus 128 equals 180. So I need to get my 128 on the other side by taking the inverse operation, okay? Minus 128 from both sides, okay? So I'm left with 2x on the left side equals 180 minus 128. So that's going to be 2. That's going to be 52, okay? If I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to get 5x equals 2 goes into 5 2 times, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. So I'm going to get x equals 26, but that is not the answer. So that is our x here, right? Now we're going to go over here and we're going to plug in 26 for our x here, because we know that this angle plus the 90 degrees is going to be a vertical angle to angle AOE, which was what we're looking for. So if I plug in 26, okay, 66 minus 26, okay, is going to get me 40. So this angle here is going to be 40 degrees. If I take 40 degrees plus 90 degrees, so 40 plus 90, I am going to get 130. So if this angle here is 130, then that means that angle AOE equals 130 degrees. Okay? All right, so we are this time going to find the value for x. So we're not looking for any angle specifically, we're just going to look for the value of x. So right now we know that this angle here is 4x minus 8. This angle here is 34 degrees, and this angle here is 76 minus x degrees. Okay, what we also know is that this is a straight line, which equals to 180 degrees. Okay, we don't have any 90-degree angles, and we don't know anything else about this figure. So we are going to take what we know about this angle plus this angle plus this angle, and we're going to set that equal to 180 degrees. And I wrote it without the parentheses just to take that step away, but normally we would write it with the parentheses the first step. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and combine my like terms. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to set that. Okay, so 4x minus 8 plus 34 plus 76 minus x equals to 180. It's 180 degrees is a straight line. So now I'm going to combine like terms. So I have 4x, and my other x term is a negative x or a minus x. So 4x, okay, so I have 4x minus 1x is going to be 3 x's. Okay, now I have my negative 8, okay, plus 34. We can also do 34 minus 8 to combine those two. Okay. Okay, so 34 minus 8 is 26. Okay, and then we have 26 plus 76. 26 plus 76 is going to be 102. So 3x plus 102 equals 180. Okay, so I have here now 3x plus 102 equals 180. So I'm going to take my inverse operation and move the 102. Okay, so now these will cancel out. Okay, and I have 180 minus 102 is going to be 78. So I have 3x left on the left side, 78 left on the right side. Okay, I'm going to move this problem over here. Okay, I'm going to put 3x equals 78. Okay, just so that we have enough room. My last step will be to divide both sides by 3. 3 over 3 is 1. So x is going to equal, okay, 3 goes into 7 twice with 1 left over. 1 and 8 make 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Okay, so our x equals 26. Again, they don't want us to find a specific angle, but if they did, we would just plug in 26 for x. So this angle here would be 26 times 4. Let's just do that for fun. Because again, math is fun and it's curiosity, we want to know, right? So we have 24, we have 8, 9, 10. So this is 104 minus 8 is going to give us 96 degrees, okay? And we have 76 minus 26 is going to give us 50, okay? If we were to add up 50 plus 34 plus 96, we would get 180. Isn't that cool? All right. All right, guys. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Again, I am a huge algebra geek. I love everything about algebra. When it came down to me implementing algebra in geometry, that gets me excited. So solving problems in geometry, solving problems using what we know about complementary angles, supplementary angles, all of those and that knowledge that we learned in the other video. And if you haven't seen the other video, I will link it down in the description box. And up here, hopefully. If I figure out how to do that, then I will link it up there. If not, go back and look at that video as well. If you learned something, please like the video, comment down below. I do want to leave you with this last problem, which you will see right now. So comment down below the answer to that problem so that you guys can get your Math Dojo credit. Become a part of the Math Dojo, our little family that's growing here. We love to have you. We are excited to be doing this, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.